Hello, everyone. So the EDD has finally made an announcement in regards to filing a new claim at the end of the benefit year. While it is good news for some of you who are going to reach the benefit year end over the summer, it does not address those of you who have filed for a new claim already and are currently waiting for your claims to be processed. Now, the EDD has announced they would begin automating the refiling process for claimants who have reached the end of their benefit year, but who have not reported any wages in the last 18 months. The problem is there are a lot of people who did earn wages in the last 13 to 14 months right before they opened their claim 12 months ago. So it really remains to be seen how many people will have claims filed automatically. There is no specific time frame when this will start, but really this just comes way too late. This is something that should have been implemented at the beginning of March when many people started reaching their benefit year end, but also for claimants who did not earn wages in the last 12 months. Now, where do things stand for those of you who have reached the benefit year end and have filed for a new claim? We already know who needs to file a claim, and that is important because there are still non-PUA claimants who have not filed for a new claim because they think the most recent extension automatically gives them benefits till September, and that is not the case. All claimants except those on PUA must file for a new claim. And we know why, which is because the EDD must determine whether or not to keep you on your current extension or move you over to a regular UI claim. In most cases, you will be kept on your existing claim because you have had no wages in the last 12 months to report. So if you receive that notice of determination, section 1277 in the mail, it means in all likelihood you are staying on your current extension rather than a new UI claim. Filing a new claim is required by current federal and state law. Now, the most important thing is time frame. When will your claim be processed? EDD's estimated wait time for the new claim to be processed is up to 3 weeks. However, we have had claimants report on average a 3 to 6 week wait time, but in other cases, it has been even longer. But the longer the wait is, the likelihood of another unresolved problem holding up your claim increases. Now, some other unresolved problems could apply specifically for those who are not able to file a new claim online and instead called into EDD to file or either faxed or mailed that new claim application into the EDD. When claimants filed a new claim online, they had to go through the ID.me verification process to confirm their identities, and for some people that turned into a rather complicated process. Now, everyone has to go through the ID process. So if you filed for a new claim other than online and have not verified your identity and have multiple weeks of pending payments, that could be the reason. Also, address verification is another one, and you will be required to upload at least one acceptable document, which could be an electric bill, phone or cable bill, also a bank statement or rental agreement, or other forms of acceptable documents. Needing a phone interview is another possibility that was discussed in a previous video. Either way, it is important for you to reach out for assistance, especially for those of you who have more than 4 weeks of pending payments. If you cannot reach the EDD by phone, I do recommend you reach out to your local state assembly member or state senator to help expedite a resolution for your claim. In a recent poll I put up asking those of you with more than 3 weeks of pending payments what best described your situation, 12% of you voted that you have done nothing and are expecting it to be resolved automatically. Again, if you've not filed for a new claim yet at the end of the benefit year, please do so immediately unless you're on a PUA claim. Now, the month of May was not a good month in terms of backlogged claims, which many of you are now part of. Based off the latest numbers, the combined backlog claim cases actually increased by nearly 30,000 in the last week that has been reported. So it remains to be seen how many claims EDD can get through in the month of June. But realistically, it is going to be hard to imagine it will be a significant number. Meanwhile, those of you with pending payments are now being targeted by scammers. They are texting people with the link to supposedly claim a prepaid unemployment card to receive those pending payments. Just remember, official EDD text messages will be appearing from numbers 51074 and 91806. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation and keep you posted on any future developments. Let us know in the comments section below what particular issue you are currently experiencing, and make sure to click on that subscribe button for future updates on this channel. And thanks for watching.